What's up, Lash fam? Thanks for tuning in again for another video. Today we will be doing a hybrid video, so I'm super excited. If you haven't joined our Lash family yet, make sure you do so by turning on our post notifications and hitting that subscribe button. And it's always down below in the corner, so you can just tap it. All right guys, so today we're doing a hybrid set, which I'm so excited about because I haven't yet done one here on my channel. And you guys have been requesting it for quite a while now, and I finally got my hands on one. So I'm gonna record it for you guys, show you my step-by-step process. I will be using my Shop Lashes by Kins in G Curl, 10, 12, and 14. And also I will be applying obviously some classic lashes to that hybrid set. So we're gonna do a full-blown hybrid. It's gonna be beautiful. If you guys have questions regarding the set, always comment below, you guys. I'm super active on there. I try and reply as much as possible to everybody and their questions. And if not, you know, you can always DM me on my Instagram at Shop Lashes by Kins and also at Lashes by Kins. So, two. Also, if you haven't gotten your Lashes by Kins yet, make sure you do so and use code KINS for 10% off your order. All right, let's go ahead and get started on this set. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you're excited to see a hybrid set done. If you guys have questions, please comment and let me know. Yeah, let's get started. That does conclude our hybrid set video. Thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. All right, let's get into our giveaway winner, which I also will be announcing. I did choose 3 this time. I just want to make it a little exciting, and I will be doing my giveaways once a month. Make sure to all of our winners that you email me your name, address, phone number, and your email, and email that to info@shoplashesbykins.com. That way we can get your packages out as soon as possible. Okay, so our first winner is Kay Lee. So make sure that you send me that ASAP. Our second winner is Lily Rosa. Congratulations, Lily. And then also Jasmine Herrera. Congratulations, girls. You have won my first giveaway. as part of our Lashes by Kins. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We will be back with more videos. I will be posting a mega volume set using my Lashes by Kins, of course. Make sure that you subscribe and like, follow us on Instagram, and we will be back. Thanks, guys.